Okay, this is the question from the communication systems. In the topic is related to amplitude modulation. Okay, this question is given in the year of GATE 1990. Okay, just look into the question. A 4 GHz carrier is double sideband suppressor carrier modulated by a low pass message signal with maximum frequency of 2 MHz. The resultant signal is to be ideally sampled. The minimum frequency of the sampling in train should be. Okay, first of all, a 4 GHz carrier signal is given. Now the carrier frequency is here FC equal to 4 GHz, and the maximum frequency of the message signal is given, that is nothing but the FM, that equal to 2 MHz. Now by using this carrier and message signal, a amplitude modulation is taken place, that is double sideband suppressor carrier. Okay, we know that the double sideband suppressor carrier component consists, the spectral components are FC plus or minus FM. FC plus FM is the upper sideband, FC minus FM is the lower sideband. Now we'll see the components corresponding to these values. Okay, the 4 GHz frequency can be written as 4000 MHz plus or minus FM is 2 MHz. Now the resultant outputs are 4000 MHz plus 2, that is nothing but 4002 MHz, that is the one spectral component. Another one is 4000 minus 2 MHz, that is the 3998 MHz. Okay, these are the spectral components of the double sideband suppressor carrier with respect to the given carrier signal FC and FM. Now this double sideband suppressor carrier signal is sampled at ideal. Now for that sampling, what is the required sampling frequency? Okay, now here this is the upper sideband frequency component, this is the lower sideband frequency component. Now we have to calculate bandwidth, that is difference between the higher cutoff frequency or upper sideband frequency minus lower sideband frequency, that is 4002 MHz minus 3998 MHz. Okay, the total bandwidth for this one is 4 MHz. Now this is the bandwidth. Now here the message signal is 2 MHz, that is modulated with a high frequency carrier signal 4 GHz with the modulation of double sideband suppressor carrier. After modulation, this message signal becomes a band pass signal. Okay, now this band pass signal is sampled by a ideal sampler. For that, what is the required sampling frequency? We know that for band pass signal for band pass signals not band pass filter, for band pass signals the sampling frequency Fs equal to twice the bandwidth of that band pass signal. Okay, here 4 MHz is the bandwidth of the that band pass signal, that is nothing but the double sideband suppressor carrier, that is 2 into 4 MHz is the required sampling frequency, that is nothing but 8 MHz. Now the answer is 8 MHz. Okay, here the FM signal is modulated with a 4 GHz signal with DSB SC modulation. We got upper side frequency and lower side frequency. From that the bandwidth is we got 4 MHz. Okay, for the band pass signal the sampling frequency is always twice the bandwidth of the band pass signal, that is nothing but 2 into 4 MHz, that is simply 8 MHz. The answer is 8 MHz, that is B.